Back to my channel. On this channel, I'll be teaching you how to make beautiful, glam, elegant, high-end decor on a budget. And I like to use a lot of products from Dollar Tree, Goodwill, and other low-budget stores as well. Okay, so today we're going to be using this container that I found at Dollar Tree. Simple, lidded plastic jar. So yeah, not only are we going to use that, we're going to combine it with this cloche from Dollar Tree as well. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and remove the tape. And I'm going to spray paint the base silver. Once you remove the label, take some masking tape. Like you can see like a line here. And you want to just go around that line with the masking tape. And you want to make sure that it lines up all the way around. Now I have one I did ahead of time, right here. So this is what you'll have. What I want to do now is cut this line all the way around. I want to take the dome off the cloche. So I'm going to take my hot knife and just follow that line all the way around. I'm pretty much scoring it. Once I score it, I'll go ahead and concentrate on cutting the dome off. Go ahead and remove the tape. So here's a base that I've already spray painted silver. Make sure both of these pieces are clean and remove this label. Once I do that, I'll have this. So I'm going to take the side that's cut down and leave it downward. And then I'm just going to slide this right inside. Press it down. And once you do that, it's pretty much stuck in place, okay? So now I'll take some of these tiny diamonds that I found at Dollar Tree. Now, you can skip this. This is just me being extra. I always want to make things look different, okay? Just putting some right around the base, okay? Not a whole lot. So now I'll take some of my Gorilla Glue and put it right inside here. Okay, so now we have that. So now, even though it's drying, I'm going to go ahead and decorate it. I'm going to take 6 rows of my diamond bling and wrap it around the top like this. So now I'll take 2 rows of the diamond bling and go around this lip. Okay, just like that. So now I'll take the lid and put some diamond bling right around here. Finally, I'm going to take some of my mirror towel and put it around the base and around here as well. So now this is what you have. You can leave it like this if you want to. Put whatever you want to on the inside. If you want to decorate it a little bit more, you can. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add a label, a mirror towel label. Just like that. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Then you can see the little diamonds on the inside. This one, I was able to add a little bit more diamonds on the inside. So I have a couple here. I'm actually going to make one more, so I have a set of 3. I'll do that and then put them on display. Alright, so moving on to DIY number 2. It's super easy. Here I found these glasses at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is really stepping it up, so we really don't have to do much with some of the things that they have to offer now. So this piece is already really decorative and pretty. For this piece I have 3 in all, and I have 6 of these Dollar Tree candle holders. To make the base look more like the glass, I used some of this Krylon looking glass spray paint, and what I did was took this and held it upside down and sprayed some of this in here. So when you do that, it's really runny, so you just take it and roll it like this and then wipe off the outside. So that's what I've done. The SKU, and I'll leave it in the description. This is going to be super easy. So I'm going to take some of my Gorilla Glue and put it right on top of this candle holder, and then put that on there. Make sure that it's in the center. Okay, so we have 1, and now I'll glue 2 of these together. Okay, so I will allow those to dry, and now we'll glue 3 together. I'll go ahead and reinforce these with some masking tape. So now I'll let those set up, and then I'll come back and add the tops of these pieces in. Alright, these have set up for a few hours, so now I'm going to remove the tape. Now we'll go ahead and glue our candle holders on top. Now let them both set up for a while and come back and maybe add a little bit more glue.